Good morning, guys. Left this one printing overnight. Well, only 2 hours 27 minutes. I did a series of bicycles quite a long time ago, and I spotted this one on Thingiverse, so I thought I would do it. It's a child's tricycle. Let's see if we can put it together now. I'm hoping it won't need any glue. When I put this on Cura to slice it, it came up with a little thing that said automatically resized. I've never noticed that before. I don't know if that's something in the latest version that I've just installed. And I don't know what size it should have been. But it's certainly printed okay. As I said earlier on, I did go through a phase of doing a lot of bicycles, 3D printed like this. So I will try and make sure I put a link in the video description so you can see the other ones. It was just one of those random things that I found on Thingiverse and thought I'd print just for the fun of it. Right. I was looking at these forks and I get the impression they're supposed to pop apart like that. So you can get the wheel in the middle. Oh, it almost spins. I think if I rub it round with a bit of sandpaper just to smooth it out where there's the little tags, that might actually spin. I'll do that in a minute. We'll see if it goes together without any glue first. That feels like it wants to. I'll probably end up pushing too hard and snap it. That's gone together. push that down on there. Okay. Could probably do with trimming a little bit with a bit of sandpaper or a needle file just to make it fit together a little bit smoother. Probably got a bit of elephant's foot in there, although there shouldn't be. Yeah, I am going to have to trim that a little bit. I could try forcing it, but I'll probably end up breaking it. What about these bits? Just a bit. Yeah, that just doesn't quite want to go on there. All right, I'll trim that. Done. I didn't trim the holes, I just used a bit of brute force. I think we can see there a bit of an angle there, which is where they've splayed apart. But from the side we look okay. I do think that's rather nice. Oh, that's over at a bit of an angle, this one, isn't it? I'll probably snap if I try and straighten it up. We'll leave it like that. So the front wheel turns. It doesn't spin, but it does turn. I could probably work on that and loosen it up. But that'll do. So yeah, little child's tricycle. I think that looks rather nice. What fun. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.